So another important topic, bandwidth. So series resonant frequency topic, quality factor topic, and bandwidth topic is the most important topic in fourth unit. So bandwidth is nothing but frequency difference between the lower and upper cutoff frequency, that is f2 minus f1. But so what is the concept of bandwidth is nothing but the range of frequencies for which current and voltages are equal to 70.7% of the maximum value. So the 70.7% is nothing but 1 by root 2 times. So the bandwidth is defined denoted as BW. So bandwidth of series resonant circuit is the band of frequencies over which power is the half of the maximum value. So the below figure will gives the response of the current and voltage, the variation of frequency, and may gives the bandwidth also. That is, so f1 is the lower cutoff frequency, f2 is the higher cutoff frequency, and f is f for resonance. The difference between these two frequencies is nothing but bandwidth. At resonant frequency we are all known Z is equal to minimum value, that is equal to R, and current is maximum value, that is V by R. So now we have to calculate the resistor value, the impedance value at lower cutoff frequency, higher cutoff frequency or lower cutoff frequency. At F is equal to F naught, so P is equal to P maximum value, that is I maximum square by R. So that is nothing but resonant frequency Z is equal to R. Coming to the lower cutoff frequency or higher cutoff frequency, that is P is equal to I RMS square R. RMS value is nothing but maximum value by root 2. So I maximum by root 2 whole square into R. I maximum square R by 2, that is P maximum by 2. So but here Z is equal to root 2 R. We have to substitute 1 by root 2, that is nothing but Z is equal to root 2 R. So the frequency at which power in the circuit is half of the maximum value. So half of the maximum value, such frequency is called half power frequency or cutoff frequency. So in the above figure, F1, F2 are the two half power frequencies or two cutoff frequencies. F1 is the lower cutoff frequency and F2 is the higher cutoff frequency. Half power frequency or cutoff frequency, both are same. And now you have to, what is the definition of cutoff frequency is the frequency at which the current is 70.7% of the maximum current, or otherwise 0.707 times of the maximum current. So now now derivation of bandwidth, this is the most important derivation. So bandwidth is already known. Bandwidth is nothing but band of frequency, that is difference between the lower and upper cutoff frequencies. So bandwidth is f1 minus f2 or f2 minus f1. Now current at resonance is I is equal to V by Z. The Z is nothing but R, V by R. And current at half power frequencies or cutoff frequencies I by root 2, that is I by root 2 R. So from this Z is equal to root 2 R. Now we know that general impedance formula Z is equal to magnitude square root of R square plus XC minus XL square, and put XC value, XL value, that is 1 by omega C, 1 by omega L. So now Z is equal to at half power frequency Z is equal to root 2 R. Z is equal to root 2 R, that may substitute in the equation. Root 2 R is equal to R square plus 1 by omega 1 C minus omega 1 L square. Squaring on both sides, 2 R square is equal to R square plus 1 by omega 1 C minus 1 omega 1 L square. So now 2 R square minus R square is nothing but R square is equal to 1 by omega 1 C minus omega 1 L square. Taking the square root on both sides, R is equal to 1 by omega 1 C minus omega 1 L. So this is as equation 1. Similarly at higher cutoff frequencies, same derivation. So this derivation is for lower cutoff frequency. So similar manner, higher cutoff frequency is nothing but R is equal to 1 by omega 2 C minus omega 2 L. So that is taken as equation 2. So left hand side, equation 1 and 2, left hand side is same. That's why we have to equating the right hand side. 1 by omega 1 C minus so that may be after rearranging all these equations. So L into 1 omega 1 plus omega 2 is equal to 1 by C omega 1 by omega 1 plus 1 by omega 2. So after rearranging all these things, L L into C, L equal to 1 by C omega 1 omega 2. So that is omega 1 omega 2 is equal to 1 by LC. Omega 1 omega 2 is equal to 1 by LC is nothing but omega naught square, that is resonant frequency Fr is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. So 2 pi F is nothing but omega square is nothing but 1 by LC. So that may substitute, so omega naught square, so that is omega naught is equal to square root of omega 1 omega 2. Substitute omega is equal to 2 pi F naught equal to square root of 2 pi F1 2 pi F2, that is resonant frequency is the square root of F1 and F2. They asking question like this. So derive the resonant frequency in terms of lower and higher cutoff frequency is nothing but we have to derive in this part. So now we have to calculate the bandwidth. Till now we have not calculated the bandwidth. So resonant frequency is the combination of lower and upper cutoff frequencies. Now in series resonant circuit, resonant frequency is the geometric mean of power frequency. This definition may be concluded as, so series resonant circuit, resonant frequency is the geometric mean of two cutoff frequencies, otherwise two off power frequencies. So now the equation 1 and 2 by adding R plus R is nothing but 2R. So now after rearranging all these things, so F2 minus F1 that is equal to R by 2 pi L. This is the bandwidth. F2 minus F1 is equal to F2 minus F1 or F1 minus F2, whatever it may be, that is the bandwidth R by 2 pi L. So this is the bandwidth equation. Derive the bandwidth is nothing but, so from this we have to write down. So now calculate the F1 F2 also from the bandwidth. F minus F0 equal to bandwidth by 2, that is R by 4 pi L. So therefore lower cutoff frequency equal to resonant frequency minus R by 4 pi L. Similarly upper cutoff frequency equal to F0 plus R by 4 pi L. So how can you say that F minus F1 is equal to bandwidth by 2? So see this diagram. So this is the total bandwidth. Bandwidth is nothing but F1 minus F2. Now we have to calculate. So F0 minus F1. F0 minus F1 is nothing but, this is the exactly, F0 is nothing but exactly half of the bandwidth. So F0 minus F1 or F0 minus F2 is nothing but bandwidth by 2. That may be used in the derivation. So in this derivation we have to derive the resonant frequency is the geometric mean of lower cutoff frequencies and higher cutoff frequency equations, and also bandwidth equation. Bandwidth is R by 4 pi L, R by 2 pi L, and lower cutoff frequency is F0 minus R by 4 pi L, and upper cutoff frequency is F0 plus R by 4 pi L. So they asking problems like this. What is the quality factor of a series resonant circuit if all the elements will be doubled? All the elements will be doubled. So all the elements are off. Quality factor value ఎలా ఉంటుంది? అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ డబుల్ చేస్తే లేదా అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ చేస్తే. సో now R is equal, quality factor is nothing but 1 by R root L by C. R is equal to 2R, L is equal to 2L, C is equal to 2C. So therefore quality factor nu is equal to 1 by R root L by C. So 1 by 2R square root of 2L by 2C. So 1 by 2 1 by R root L by C, that is quality factor nu is equal to quality factor old by 2. That is, suppose all the elements will be doubled is nothing but quality factor may reduce to half. Suppose all the elements may half, that is R is equal to R by 2, L is equal to L by 2, C is equal to C by 2. Substitute all these things in, so quality factor, the quality factor may double the value. So all the value double is nothing but quality factor reduced to half. All the values are reduced to half is nothing but quality factor may double. So this is the most important problem. So they asking 10 marks directly. A series RLC circuit, R is equal to 10 ohms, L is equal to 0.5 H, and C is equal to 40 microfarad, and applied voltage is 100 volts. So determine the resonant frequency, quality factor, upper and lower cutoff frequencies, bandwidth, current at half hour frequencies, voltage across the inductor and capacitor. Most important problem. So now given data, R is equal to 10 ohms, L is equal to 0.5 Henry, C is equal to 40 into 10 power minus 6 farad, and V is equal to 100 volts. What is the resonant frequency formula? Fr is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. The given LC value substitute in this problem, and Fr is equal to 35.58 Hz. So another one is quality factor, that is 1 by R root L by C. The given all three values, substitute. So quality factor is equal to 11.118, approximately 11. So quality factor is not a fraction, so it is a digit, that's why. So 11.1 is nothing but 11. Another one is lower cutoff frequency. Lower cutoff frequency F1 is equal to F0 minus R by 4 pi L. Substitute all the values and getting the 33.98. And higher cutoff frequency is F0 plus R by 4 pi L, and this is 37.17. And lower cutoff frequency 33.98, but resonant frequency 35. So clearly observe, resonant frequency is the middle range between the F1 and F2. So F1 is lower, and then Fr, and then F2. Now bandwidth is nothing but difference between these two frequencies, upper and lower cutoff frequencies. Otherwise R by 2 pi L, whatever it may be, bandwidth is 3.19 Hz. Now current at half power frequency. Current at half power frequency is nothing but V by root 2 R. V by Z. Z is at half power frequency is root 2 R. That's why V by root 2 R. 100 by root 2 10. So current at half power frequency is 7.07. Already the current at half power frequency is 0.707 times of the maximum current. 0.707 into 10. The given current I is equal to 10 amperes. So that's why clearly 7.07. Otherwise in formula substituting they were getting 7.07 amperes. And voltage across the inductor, VL is equal to I into XL. I value 10 amperes and XL 2 pi FL. Substitute VL is equal to 311.8.40. Same as voltage across capacitor, VC is equal to I into XC. So XC is nothing but 1 by omega C, and we are getting VC is equal to 311.84 volts. So like this they are asking. So questions, problems like this. So another problem, the quality factor of series resonance circuit is 5. Resonance is 1 kilohertz. Assuming power dissipation 250 watts and current drawn is 1 ampere. Find the circuit parameters and bandwidth and cutoff frequencies. Circuit parameters is nothing but RLC values and also bandwidth and F1 and F2. So here the given quality factor is 5. So in this problem, November 2007 is appearing. Quality factor is 5 and F0 is 1000 Hz. Power is 250 watts. Find out the RLC elements. First of all, power consumption is I square R. So that is R is equal to P by I square, 250 by 1 square. Therefore R is equal to 250 ohms. And now we know the quality factor, that is omega L by R. So L is equal to QR by omega. So the given Q, the given R, and substitute these things. L is equal to 0.1989 Hz. And calculating the resonant frequency Fr 1 by 2 pi root LC. We know the resonant frequency, we know the L value, such that we have to calculate the C value. So C is equal to 1.27 in 10 power minus 1 farad. And calculating the bandwidth, they don't given lower cutoff frequency, they don't given upper cutoff frequency. You have to calculate lower and upper cutoff frequencies, but how to calculate the bandwidth? We know the relation between bandwidth and quality factor. So quality factor is equal to resonant frequency by bandwidth. So bandwidth is equal to resonant frequency by quality factor. The given resonant frequency 1 kilohertz, that is 1000 Hz by 5. So bandwidth is equal to 200 Hz. Now we have to calculate the lower and upper cutoff frequencies. Lower cutoff frequency is equal to F1 minus R by 4 pi L. That is Fr minus bandwidth by 2. We know the bandwidth. So F1 is equal to Fr minus bandwidth by 2, and we are getting 900 Hz. And F2 is equal to Fr plus bandwidth by 2. We are getting 11,000 Hz. Like this they are asking problems. So these two problems are more important. So they are asking sometimes, so that power factor of series RLC circuit at lower cutoff frequency is lead. So already lower cutoff frequency circuit behaves as a capacitor, that's why it is a leading power factor. How much power factor is nothing but at lower cutoff frequency is the 1 by root 2 times of the maximum power, that is 1 by root 2 is nothing but 0.707 leading. That is asking for 2 marks. Suppose they are asking 5 marks, like this, power factor is equal to R by Z, and I is equal to I maximum by root 2, Z is equal to root 2R. So now power factor is equal to R by Z. R by Z is nothing but root 2 or 1 by root 2, that is cos pi is equal to 0.707 leading. Similar manner F2 also 0.707 lagging. So but at the resonant frequency power factor is UPF. So this is all about series RLC circuit. So next video we discuss about the parallel RLC circuit.